Hey there, viewers! COVID-19 has forced all of us to stay inside and be more mindful of germs. So why not use this opportunity to do a deep clean on your house? After all, you're spending a ton of time inside your house. It makes sense to keep it germ-free. In today's video, we'll be discussing the 11 best quarantine cleaning tips to keep your home clean and germ-free. How should you clean your curtains? How do you disinfect vinyl surfaces? What about sealed hardwood flooring? What about your toothbrush? We'll be talking all this and more. Watch until the end. Number 1, start with your phone. Your phone has the most clutter. Before you start with anything else, your phone needs to be thoroughly cleaned. Clear off the unnecessary apps, images, and files. Start with the gallery first. Your WhatsApp folder, social media images, downloads, all that. Free up your phone's memory. Unsubscribe from all unnecessary push notifications. Your email needs to be cleared too. Organize it, delete spams. Now you're set to begin quarantine cleaning. Oh, and one more thing. Download a good app to keep track of your social media usage. You don't want to get addicted. No scrolling mindlessly. Finish up your cleaning first. Speaking of social media addiction, do you monitor your usage? Are you worried about spending too much time on social networking sites? Share your thoughts on smartphone addiction in the comments below. Number 2. Bathroom cabinets. Let's begin quarantine cleaning with your bathroom. We often clean our bedroom, living room, and kitchen, but forget about one place that's more prone to infections, the bathroom. But which corner do you need to clean first? Your sink and toothbrushes. You can disinfect your toothbrush by cleaning it with antibacterial mouthwash. Don't worry if you don't have mouthwash, mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 cup of water and soak it. Storing your toothbrush in 3% hydrogen peroxide solution is great too. Just remember to change the solution daily. You only need enough to cover the bristles. A tablet of denture cleanser is the quickest way to sanitize your toothbrush. Next comes your bathroom cabinets. Check the expiration date of all your beauty and personal hygiene products. Your dried nail polish, old creams, expired makeups, they all need to go in the trash. Clean the cabinets and bottles with a disinfecting spray cleaner. Number 3, junk drawer. Oh, this is my favorite place to clean. There's always some hidden surprises. Clear the clutter from your junk drawer. Organize the stuff in there. If you're like me, you have multiple junk drawers in every room. It can be a pleasant trip down memory lane clearing all of these. Don't forget to clear away unusable items. There's no point in hoarding things you no longer need. Maybe donate stuff that still works. Your old phone could be useful for someone else. Number 4, bookshelves. Now there are 2 ways to go about this. You can clean your bookshelves quickly using a microfiber cloth, maybe a clean makeup or paintbrush. Dust the tops and sides of the bookshelves. It also makes sense to disinfect each and every corner of your home. Besides this, going through all your books can be such a fun experience. You might even reread a couple. It's nice to freshen up memories every now and then. Use your vacuum cleaner's attachment to clean the shelves. With a clean, dry cloth, dust off the dirt from your books. Organize your books. Make sure to place large, heavy books flat instead of upright. Number 5, kitchen. I promise your kitchen is going to look nicer than everything else. Contrary to popular belief, cleaning the kitchen is fun. Cleaning your silverware, cups, plates, and kettle can do nothing short of catharsis. So many family conversations happen around the kitchen table drinking coffee from your favorite cups. And it's always fun to display your fancy kitchen items in the display cabinet. So how do you start? First, spread an old newspaper on your kitchen countertop to protect items on it from dust falling through. Clean your microwave first, next the upper cabinets. Use a special cleaning liquid for this. You'll then clean the kitchen tiles and sink. Organize your stuff back in the upper cabinets. Now comes your stove and your countertop. Clean with a microfiber first. You can vacuum it afterwards. Don't forget to clean your refrigerator too. I'm sure there's loads of stuff in there. It needs to be taken care of. Before we move ahead, here's a video you might like. Watch this and learn more about 9 natural ways to balance your hormones. Number 6, your closet. We're all guilty of having dozens of unused clothes, ones that we no longer wear and often forget about. It's time you give them all the necessary attention. Remember the little black dress you bought 5 years ago? The one you thought one day would fit you? Let it go. Donate it. Just don't forget to wash them first. Let's move on to our favorite clothes. These are items you've cherished for years. If you're no longer wearing them, box them up. Don't give it away, just keep them to the side. You can use mothballs to store your clothes. Toss out all duplicates that you have. Anything that doesn't make you feel good needs to go ASAP. Vacuum your cupboard. You can use a steamer to clean your clothes instantly. Number 7, curtains. Curtains are one of the most ignored items in your home. You buy them so enthusiastically, but within a few months, they're ignored. Curtains accumulate a ton of germs. They need to be cleaned monthly. The problem is, we all have lives, work, and plain uninterest in spending the weekend cleaning a curtain. You can quickly clean your curtains by using the upholstery attachment on your vacuum. Spray sanitizer on them through the vacuum blower. If it's been more than several months since you've washed your curtains, it's time to deep clean them. Take them down, wash, press, and then put them back up. There is a way you can wash your heavy curtains without taking them down. Use a safe, stable ladder to climb to the top of your curtains. If you shake them hard enough, the dust will fall to the ground. Use a lint roller or brush to remove any tiny fibers and lint. Gross stains and grease in the curtains can be removed using a handheld steam cleaner. A steam cleaner would help dislodge stubborn stains and dust from curtains, all with minimal effort. Move the handheld steam cleaner in a gentle vertical stroke. This will let the steam penetrate the curtain cloth without drenching it. Make sure the steam is set to light. Cover every square inch by working in small sections. Spray a deodorizer to make your curtains smell and feel fresh. Number 8, floor. So you're done with cleaning your bathroom, kitchen, and bookshelves. Time to get on the floors. Your floors need a good cleaning too. Cleaning floors is more than just scrubbing, especially if you want to see the ground sparkle. Different types of floors need to be cleaned differently. If you have a laminate flooring, you can either dust, wipe, or vacuum it with a lightly damped mop. Do not use soap-based detergents. They'll wipe away the shine. Don't overwet your cleaning mop either, and wax polishing these types of floors is a bad idea. It'll make the ground slippery and unsafe. You can use a homemade mix of water and vinegar to clean stains from laminate floors. Ceramic and quarry tiles are my favorite. They require minimal maintenance. Wash and clean with a mild floor cleaning solution. Rinse off with clear water. You can also use steam cleaners. Vinyl flooring can be cleaned with a soft brush or vacuum. Follow it up with a thorough wipe using a damp mop. Clean sealed hardwood floors with a damp mop as well. Do not use too much water for your wood flooring. It'll swell and split. Number 9, under the bed. Your bed gets cleaned often, but what about underneath? From your dirty socks to old potato chips, there's a lot under there. Quarantine cleaning means you need to move your bed and vacuum underneath. Number 10, yourself. It's time to show some love and affection for yourself. You cleaned the whole house. Now you definitely deserve a reward. Your hairdresser might have closed down, but that doesn't mean you can't do your hair at home. And while you're letting your hair cream sit, trim and file your nails as well. Put on your favorite nail paint. It's not like you need to do any more deep cleaning. Number 11, your emotional health. Taking care of your home is good. Looking after your physical self is great. But what about your emotional and mental health? Have you spent time looking after that? It's time to relax and sit by yourself. Do things that you enjoy. Cook your favorite meals and watch your favorite shows. Get on the phone and call your friends and family. Ones you've been missing and haven't had the time to talk to. Are you planning to quarantine and clean your house? Will you be following any of these tips? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.